Hi everyone, today's video is going to be one of the most requested video. This video will have detailed information on how I take care of my hair. Everything I use will be linked on the description box, so please don't forget to check that. Basically, there are two things I do before hair wash. I exfoliate my scalp every week to remove dead skin cell as well as the product built up. I part my hair into section and apply the exfoliant thoroughly on my scalp. After applying, I massage it really well and leave it for 10 minutes before wash. This has significantly helped my hair to be healthy. I only apply this once a week. I've been using this hair oil since my childhood and it makes me nostalgic whenever I use this. My mom was the one who actually introduced me to the hair oil. Since then, I have been using it religiously. I massage my scalp with hair oil once a week for 5 to 10 minutes. I really enjoy this process. Massage promotes blood circulation, which causes hair growth and helps to strengthen the hair. Oiling hair has really helped my hair to nourish, kept my hair hydrated. There are so many benefits of oiling hair. After massaging, I use hair towel to wrap it and then leave it overnight. Then next day I wash it. When it comes to washing my hair, I only wash 3 times a week. I don't overwash it. The reason for that is because it can damage the hair. I've been using shampoo that has no sulfates. After applying shampoo, I always use this hair brush, which is made out of rubber and helps to exfoliate the scalp. It's affordable and works really well for hair. I use conditioner after shampoo and leave it for 5 minutes before wash. It really helps to hydrate, reduce frizz, and provides shine. After shampoo and conditioner, when my hair is still wet, I apply this leave-in conditioner, which really helps my hair to seal the moisture as well as hydrate, and it helps with the shine as well. It basically does what I mentioned earlier about conditioner. I also like to alternate this leave-in conditioner with another product. I also use hair serum, which I apply on wet hair. Again, it hydrates, nourishes the hair. I love using hair masks and have been doing it religiously since my teenage years. This has been a game changer for my hair. I use hair masks to provide like hydration, moisture, and reduce hair damage. I apply hair masks all over my hair and then use hair towel to wrap it and keep it for 20 minutes before wash. I use it like at least twice a month. Egg hair masks is the first hair mask I ever used. I use it till this day. I will be honest, the egg smells foul, but after wash you'll see a lot of difference. Our hair is about 70% protein and eggs have protein in it. It is one of the best natural conditioner for your hair. I apply this for 20 minutes and then wash it, no shampoo. So that is what I do for my hair. Another important thing to consider is your diet. At the end of the day, you are what you eat. Hence, if you eat healthy, your hair will be healthy too. Therefore, look into your diet as well. I really hope this video helps you. I'll see you on my next one. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Take care. Bye-bye.